there. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You have anything on you?
No. No, I'm an officer.
No weapons, nothing on your backpack?
No.
You know why we're here? Because some statements you stated to the gentleman here. All right?
Okay, well, let's talk about that.
And we'll talk about that right now.
Yes.
All right?
I'm just going to pat you down. Honestly. Go ahead and put your feet. What's on it?
Just stuff like that.
I was going to take it out for me. Okay.
It's okay. That's my jacket.
You don't have any weapons on you?
I'm in charge of the murder.
You have any weapons?
No, sir. My name is Forrest.
Forrest?
Yes, sir.
All right, Forrest. What should I ask you, Forrest?
Perry, P-E-R-R. Yeah, I was not going to hurt him.
Okay. But we'll talk about that later because you have your rights, okay?
There's a couple of items. They're never no weapons.
Take it up. Nothing stays in his pocket.
Correct.
So trash. So whatever's trash,
That's not his weapon.
yeah.
I'll just die right here. I'm going to remove this bag, okay?
Do you know who I am?
No, I don't, sir. Forrest.
I'm an officer.
Okay. You just told me you're Forrest. That's all I know. All right.
Yeah. No, I'm not going to be doing anything.
Okay. Well, when you say something to somebody, and they hold
Go
on,
ahead and face them.
you tell somebody something that you're gonna do something to them,
Right.
and they fear for their safety, that's a crime.
I did.
You, as an officer.
Actually, he scared me.
All right. Well, this is the reason why he called us because he feared for his safety because of something that you stated.
What did I say?
Well, you know what you said to him. You said it right now. You said it by yourself right now.
I was going to charge him with murder if he didn't help me cash my check.
Oh, that's what you said?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
He heard something else. All right.
So yeah, like I'm kind of like famous, and so I told him that he was going to get in trouble with his boss pretty bad.
You came out on a couple shows or something, or what?
No, sir.
Or just-
I just sat there.
Do you have shorts underneath or?
No.
Pants and-
Let's see. So these could have.
What's this right here?
I have no idea what's.
Like you have another pocket?
Yeah.
Why
You're
would I
arrested.
go to jail?
You're getting arrested for criminal threats.
Sweetheart, do you know who I am?
You said you're Forrest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, Forrest, let me ask you something real quick.
Yeah.
Do you suffer from any kind of mental illness, anything like that? No?
Do you?
No, I gotta ask you these questions, that's why.
Do you stop going through my stuff?
Well, you're under arrest, we could go through your
Okay,
pockets.
look at me. Those are checks worth like $4 million. That's why I'm here.
Alright.
So that's going to go in my property, right?
Right.
Stop showing my penis out, bro.
The only thing I can't reach is this right
Yeah,
here.
these are his checks.
He doesn't need to reach for anything because I'm a cop. The color of the day is pink.
Okay.
Can you get this out of here so we can talk outside? Stop reaching for my dick.
Yeah, the only thing
Stop
is right
throwing
here.
away my
Okay.
stuff.
Right, Forrest, what do you have right here, Forrest?
Just stuff in my pocket.
You have shorts on there?
I just pants. And
Oh, you got other pants on
I
there.
don't want people reaching in my pants. That's my penis. Do you see my penis?
Yeah, those are pants. Remember, he has something there. That's change.
Can you take this off so I can,
No.
so I can put my pants back on?
No,
Why not?
because I'm the officer here. I'm the one in charge.
Okay, well then let's get the heck out of here.
Right now. I just hold on for a minute. Go get the story for him again.
Okay.
Hey, gentlemen. Let me ask.
The other thing is that book there.
Yes. You're a real fucking hero, bro.
Thank you, appreciate that.
I'll go fuck your wife tonight, you hero fuck.
Maybe you can find
Shut
her.
the fuck up before I fuck you up.
He can't hurt
Shut
me.
the. I can't hurt you, bro.
Just sit
Yes,
down,
the fuck I
Forrest.
can. I know fucking karate, bro.
That's good for us. That's
I'll
good.
fucking black belt, dumb shit.
That's good.
I'll
That's good
fucking
enough.
bam. You'll be so fucking dead, bro.
That's great.
It's fucking so fucking good.
That's great.
Follow the fucking law and get him in cuffs for threatening people's lives.
The person that threatens somebody is in cuffs. That is you.
It's gonna be your fucking wife later, though.
Okay, that's good. If you can find it, it'll be great.
I didn't do anything wrong, Buster, and you are lying for him.
I am not lying by him.
I'm a fucking hero, man. I'll make you shoot me, bro.
No, that will never happen.
Really?
That's never my
fucking
time.
nuts, bro. You don't
That's
need
never
those
my
fucking things, bro.
Distance equals.
Well, what fucking time, bro? You have the whole
Distance.
fucking time. You have this
Just sit
fucking
down.
time.
Just sit down for it. Sit your ass down. Try to bite me again. Sit your ass down. Try to bite me again and kick me in the face. Just.
I got the story.
No, you got the story?
Time
Let's
your
go.
fucking ass, bro.
You got his name and all that?
Yeah,
Let's
I
go.
got it. And his cell phone.
Get his stuff. Get his checks. You got him?
Yeah, I got it.
Watch his head. You got him?
I got it. I'll put him up there.
Don't you fucking
I'll break your
kick me.
fucking leg, bro.
Don't you fucking kick me, alright?
I'm a black
Stop
belt,
it.
dumb shit.
Relax your fucking head.
You'll be
Relax.
fucking dead.
Just relax.
I got him.
Just relax.